Hello and welcome to MS Excel VBA. In this video I will show you the stock management system for the small businesses. You will easily manage your stock in this spreadsheet, and this spreadsheet link I paste in the description. You download it, and this all is open sources. We have a stock in form and stock out form. We have a product master. Here you put your all product item names, colors or sizes, or your categories, your cost price and your sale price. In this dashboard, first one have a categories wise how much you sold, or cost or sales or profit. This yellow is the profit, red is the sales, and blue is the cost. This is the item wise, and this is the size wise. They're showing you the categories and the item wise, and this is your stock in, stock out, and this is your stock balance. This is your cost, sales and profits pie chart. And this sheets we have it all transaction. When you do any transaction, they will be keep your codes in your backup in your transaction. We do any entry. For now, in the product master, we copy the any item name and we go to the product and stock in. This is the scan barcode. When you put the barcode and hit your enter, this item will be added. They showing the size, colors, categories, and this is the sales because we doing the stock in, and there is the cost. After you need to change this is because the stock in, you just replace the purchase. I will do it and I will upload the file in the website. And this is a stock out. When you put the item name and press enter, your item scan successfully. When you're using the scanner, you just need to scan your barcode, and this is a working. When you scan the barcode, you have an option. You will notice when you scan the barcode, they in the transaction sheet, they only the single quantity. You need to add a multiple quantity. You just check this box. When you scan it, they ask you the quantity, how much quantity you sold. For example, I add the 15 and press enter. Item scans successfully, and see here, this is the in and the quantity is 15. This is the cost because you are doing the stock in. There is a note prices, and in your product master have your cost. They will be automatically calculate your cost. When you go to the stock out, this is the sales section. When you scan here the barcode and enter any quantity like a 50, items scan successfully, and see here in this section you have include the prices, because in the purchase you don't add the prices in the transaction. In the sale you want to add the price, and this is the 50 quantity. Now we check our dashboard. Which item we do? The medium red hoodie. This is a medium red hoodie. Total sold, total in, like your purchase total 17 and you sold 52, and stock balance minus 15 because the stock out is the greater than stock in. I do again this and add the manual quantity like 100 pieces, and we check the dashboard. Now we have a red hoodies. See here, 117 in, 52 is out, and stock balance is the 65 is your stock balance. There is a formula. There is stock in minus stock out. For your download this file, go to the video description and download it. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel.